guys, and welcome to this Incredibles inspired makeup tutorial. So I'm going to combine two looks today. I am doing Elastigirl and Violet. So let's start with Elastigirl. This is a combined tutorial, which means I'm going to be using the same techniques for both. So I'm starting with Elastigirl, but we're going to keep the same makeup with Violet. That way it's easier for you guys. So I'm just going to cover up my blemishes and also redness around my face because Elastigirl is perfect. So we want to cover up those things. I love Elastigirl. I loved her in The Incredibles, and I absolutely loved her in The Incredibles too. So moving on, I am just going to conceal my under eye circles. If you guys are new to this channel, you don't know this, but if you are new, you wouldn't know that I don't get sleep much. I am a full-time student and I work full-time. So I always have to get up at like 6 a.m. to film these videos for you guys. So that's why I look tired. So now you want to blend away those dark circles and just set everything with this Fit Me powder. Now I'm using this powder to give me a fair complexion because she is more porcelain. So now that we're nice and matte, I'm just going to wipe down that powder a little bit so you don't look super powdery. I know I said the word powder like a million times. And I apologize for my really raspy voice, you guys. I'm battling a really, really bad cold. But I wanted to get this video out for you, so that means doing voiceovers while really sick. And as you can see right here, I'm just filling in my eyebrows. They are kind of more of a strawberry blonde color, and I wanted them to match my hair. Now, Elastigirl's not this redheaded, but this is the only way I had it look like hers. So then I'm taking a vanilla colored eyeshadow, and this is going to be the base on her eyes. I'm just going to go for kind of a modish, simple, everyday makeup look. This is called the Everyday Disney Series for a reason. It means that you can achieve these looks really easily, and you don't have to have super mad skills to achieve them. Because I am not, Promise or Naked Tutorials, those girls got some mad skills, and I'm kind of, in the middle. So now I'm just taking a taupey color and creating a dome-shaped line, I guess, a dome shape on my crease to give myself the appearance of rounder eyes and more cartoon-like eyes. I'm not making myself look like her. I'm just doing similar makeup to her. She's a cartoon, so it's kind of hard to look like a cartoon. So I'm just going to give myself some cartoon-like features. And blend out that dome-shaped crease. Also feel free to fill in the areas that need be. Also put that taupe color on the lower lash line to give yourself more of that rounded eye look. You can use dark circle lenses or circle lenses that match your color to give yourself a more wide-eyed appearance, but I skipped that step. So then I am taking some white eyeshadow and putting this on my waterline. Don't recommend, guys. Get a white eyeliner. And then I'm taking a brown eyeliner and I am lining my lower lash line as well to, like I said, create those dolly-shaped eyes. Now I skipped out on circle lenses for Elastigirl because I will be popping in some for Violet, and I didn't want my eyes to be too irritated. So now I'm sweeping away that brown and also just deepening up the crease again. Make sure everything is in a circular motion if you want to achieve this look. I'm not telling you what to do. Okay, so now I'm taking Lash Couture, whatever, however you say it, in Bourdoir. You guys can skip this step. I was going to use individual lashes, but I don't, and I don't think a lot of people have time for individual lashes. So I just popped on this pair. They're super cartoon-like and fluttery and perfect for the look and very simple, and you can barely tell they're lashes. Well, to me. Also, I'm just taking this peachy corally blush and giving myself a really flushed face, just like she has in the movie. So also, I am just creating some faux freckles because in a few stills in the movie, it looked like she had some, but you can skip this step. Now I'm taking Dirty Peach by Kylie Cosmetics, and you can fill your whole lip with this, but I decided to take a little bit of Amsterdam, I'm pretty sure that's what this is called, and placing this on my lips by NYX. So that is Elastigirl. Very easy, very kind of mod, you know, and very easy to achieve. Now you're going to keep the same makeup for Violet, but we are going to put in some circle lenses. Now these Dolly Eye Violet lenses are from lensvillage.com, and they're purple, which fit Violet perfectly. And look, they just make my eyes look so much more doll-like. And I went from looking like a mom to now looking like a young girl that's a teenager. So what I'm doing here now is getting rid of those dark circles and placing this on my freckles because I didn't really notice freckles on her. So you want to keep the same makeup for that flirty lash look, and also fill in your eyebrows. If you already have dark hair, you can skip this step, but just follow the same steps if you want to do Violet. Also, I'm creating a cute little button-shaped nose, so I'm doing the same thing that I did in my Rapunzel look, and just adding a ton of blush to have those blushing, really young cheeks. I swear I looked 15 years old here. So it works, but the same makeup for Elastigirl worked perfectly well for Violet. So I'm really happy with the look. So that was the only changes that were necessary. Everything will be linked in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed these Incredibles Violet and Elastigirl makeup tutorial. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!